Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to factorize this quadratic expression using multiplication frame. So this is how I'm going to draw it. So there's this multiply here and I will have 4 frames. So you can think of it like an area. So this is where I will have this. Okay. So where do I place all my things, all my terms? I have 2x squared here. And I will also have to place my positive 10 here. So now, you have to think about what times what will give me 2x squared? Yes. 2x multiplied by x will give me 2x squared. Okay, so this is like viewing this like finding the area. And now for 10, this is the same as this. So for 10, right, it can either be 1 times 10 or 2 times 5. Am I right? And we need to make it such that to get this 9x, right, this box here and this box here, they must add up to 9x somehow. So I'm going to try with, well, 2 here, so that 2 times 2x. 2 times 2x will give me 4x. 5, so that 5 times x will give me 5x, and my 4x plus 5x does give me back my 9x. And so I've gotten my answer. How do we read the answer then? We have to read it in this manner. Okay, so the answer will look like this. I will have positive 2x, positive 5, positive x, and positive 2. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.